this video, I'll be showing you how to remove Capcut logo from your videos. The new feature on Capcut now is that whenever you edit any video, they will have their logo on it. But in this video, I'll show you how to remove it with just a click. So once you go to your new project, come to new project, then select the video you want to edit. So I'll be choosing this video. So the video is loading. So I'll add this video to my project. So over here, just go ahead and do every editing you need to do. So once you are done with every editing you need to do, I guess you can see the logo up here. So this is the new feature. Any video you make on Capcut, this logo is going to be on it throughout. So for you to remove this, just simply come to where you have resolution. So just click on resolution. Then over here, you can see watermark Capcut. So click on it. So once you click on it, you can see that we have visible, we have hidden, and you can even choose where you want to place the watermark. So for us, we'll be choosing hidden, and you can see that the hidden has just 6 views in a month. So after 6 views, it means the subsequent videos will be carrying this logo. So once you click on hidden, so you see that the watermark will disappear, and it has disappeared. Can you see that? So then you just go back and download your video by clicking on export. So let's wait for this to download. So you see what I'm saying, it won't be on the video again. All right, let's play the video now. You can see that the logo is not on the video again. So guys, this is how you get to remove the logo from your videos. But then stay tuned to my channel. I'll be making a video on how to remove logos, how to remove watermark from videos generally in my subsequent video. Just make sure you subscribe, comment, like the video, and also stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.